How has the African mobile money industry developed in the last couple of years?
I'm very proud to say that mobile money was actually developed right here in Africa, in Kenya, some 3 years ago, and I'm quite lucky to have seen the whole journey of how it's evolved, right from when the first product that was launched here by our competitor and has at the moment become the benchmark for many other countries to replicate. So at the moment we've seen many other countries replicate that in Africa. But I must say that so far the success that has been achieved here in Kenya has not quite been replicated in the other countries. So now is a time when different operators are looking at different ways of doing things. And us here in Kenya, in Orange, we happen to be in that situation. It's a very competitive market here, dominated by one player who has more than 70% market share, and then two of other competitors, they copied the same model, mobile wallet-based solution. We were the last to launch, so we didn't want to follow that trend. So in order to be able to differentiate and also give a much more feature-rich service, we went for a different model, which we could call a bank-led model, where we are now strategically partnering with a bank, a very strong bank here in Kenya, to provide the Orange Money service. So we hope that in the future other operators will also look at the success of our model and be able to get more success in their countries out of our model compared to the traditional mobile wallet model.
So what are the biggest challenges that the industry is currently facing?
So I think the main challenge they're facing is people are plowing quite a lot of investment in launching these mobile wallets, but not being able to replicate the success that we've seen of our competitor here in Kenya. I understand that they're quite unique, and I'm not aware of any other country being cash flow positive in the model that they have launched. On the other end, we're seeing now banks also waking up to this industry as well. Just like we saw in Latin America, agency banking was already introduced in Kenya mid of last year. So banks are now also beginning to promote financial services using the mobile phone. But you know, rather than seeing banks as competitors to us, our strategy has been to really synergize and partner with them to create more value and to be able to have a more feature-rich product, which at the end gives convenience to the customer.
So tell us a bit about what the MMT delegates have experienced today at the Orange headquarters in Nairobi.
It's been a real honor to host the MMT delegates here at our Orange headquarters, where we've been showcasing our Orange Money product, which we launched some 3 months ago. So we did an informal discussion with our partner bank, Equity Bank, which is also had quite a good success story in the microfinance industry, and now has become the largest bank in Kenya with over 50% market share. So we had a talk about the industry in general and the different models, the telco-led, the bank-led model, and we're also able to take through the delegates our account opening process, how we were quickly opening bank accounts using the mobile phone, and also taking them through our transaction features.
And so finally, how has your experience of the MMT Africa event been?
This is the second time I'm attending this conference. Last year was very much focused from a telco operator point of view, and talking more about the evolutions from the traditional mobile wallet model. But it's been nice to see this year there is not only telecom operators but also banks also participating, and it's been nice to see the different viewpoints from evolutions in different countries, like of course in Kenya, where we've shared our experiences with the other delegates, but it's also been nice to learn with what's happening, for example, in Nigeria, and also from some of the vendors in terms of evolution in certain technologies like contactless payments through near-field communications, NFC. I think has been quite a hot topic. So it's been very educational, and it's also been an honor to also be able to share our experiences with the rest.
Thank you very much.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks.